వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్. వెల్కమ్ టు శుభం పల్స్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనము యాంటీక్ పాలిష్ జుంకాస్ ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ చూస్తున్నామండి. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ 24 క్యారెట్ పాలిష్డ్ యాంటీక్ రియల్ లుక్ ఉంటాయి. దీస్ ఆర్ నాట్ మ్యాట్, దిస్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ యాంటీక్ ఓన్లీ అండ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ సేమ్ రియల్ టు రియల్ ఉంటుంది లుక్ వైజ్. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ 24 క్యారెట్ రియల్ గోల్డ్ పాలిష్డ్ యాంటీక్ లుక్ నక్షి అండ్ కెంపు స్టోన్ జుంకాస్ అండి. విల్ స్టార్ట్ ద వీడియో. And this first design, so you can check the design, Lakshmi Devi with peacocks and full round enka kuda design untundi, and most of this comes with push back only madam, this don't come with screw back. This first design andi. If anything you like, you can reach us on our WhatsApp number. Then going to the next design, this beautiful design అండి. చాలా బాగుంది డిజైన్. నక్షి చూడండి ఎంత బాగుందో. ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ సమ్ ప్యాలెస్ ఎంట్రీ లా ఉంది. 3 స్టెప్ జుంకీ అండి. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో యాంటిక్ పాలిష్ గోల్డెన్ లుక్ ఉంటుంది. మీకు లక్ష్మీ వద్దు, పీకాక్స్ వద్దంటే యూ కెన్ ప్రిఫర్ దిస్ జుంకీ. బ్యూటిఫుల్ పీస్. I'm going to next design. We have this beautiful design andi. ఇది కూడా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఉంది డిజైన్. You can see the Nakshi designing. This peacock. Find this beautiful piece. And going to next design, we have this piece. Check this Lakshmi Devi design andi. Kinda ivanni drops vachayi and you can see 2 drops at 2 sides also. Chala beautiful undi. This is also antique golden polish andi. Beautiful look. Sir, हिंदी इज़ नॉट एन इशू. हिंदी में बात करना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. ये देखिए, the most of the designs we show are basically South Indian designs, so we try to use local language Telugu and a normal language English. हर डिज़ाइन दिखाया गया है, इसके ऊपर हर चीज़ के प्राइस के साथ इमेज हमारे पेज में पोस्ट किया गया है. यू कैन चेक देयर. See this beautiful design, groom and bride. Then this Nakshi peacocks. See, this is a beautiful piece. Then going to next design, we have this beautiful piece. See this. This is also posted 2 days back with image and price. Yes ma'am, today we will do chokers. You can see our chokers are getting ready for the live, so next video is only choker, don't worry. This piece, beautiful Kempu design with Nakshi all around and golden drops. Beautiful pieces. Then we have this design. This is also an awesome design. I think the same head we have seen, but the bottom is different. So this is a beautiful piece. And check this piece. Going ahead to the next design. And for the coming festive season, these are all beautiful pieces. Do not miss any of this. These are all very beautiful pieces. నక్షి డిజైన్ పీసెస్ అంటే చాలా బాగున్నాయి. Going ahead, I'll show you more designs, more beautiful pieces. Do not worry. Hima Bindu garu, almost every design is posted 2 days back with prices andi. Aina, if you want anything, you can reach us on our WhatsApp number, take a screenshot and get back to us. We'll help you andi. Check this piece, beautiful piece. Nakshi design undi all around. Kempu stones. Someone wants, they can take a screenshot, then reach us on our WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number 9030271018. There's one more design, beautiful design. Check this design. Wow. Something similar to silver jewelry andi, chala baagundi. I can tell you. You can see the designing, the intricate, chala clear gundi design. Then going to the next design, ma'am. This is also beautiful Lakshmi Devi Nakshi design. I will show you a close up view chudandi enta baagundo, and designing detailing chudandi enta baagundo. And see the Lakshmi Devi also, peacocks vachi Lakshmi Devi hamsa vachi, not peacocks. So this is a beautiful piece, and throughout the design we can find all around designing. These are beautiful pieces. And for the coming Vinayaka Chavithi, Dasara, Diwali, you should definitely have these pieces to your traditional sari or traditional dress. That will enhance the beauty look of the dress and sari. And ఇది కూడా చాలా బాగుందండి. There is a weightless, almost negligible weight ఉంది ఇందులో. So weightless jhumka ఇది Nakshi design. Check this piece. Then going ahead, we have this jhumka andi, big size jhumka. This is, and see the design, upper side has peacocks, then kempu, and lower side it has all Nakshi. See this. So do not miss these pieces. These are all pieces that are restocked only for the coming festive season. We have restocked all our beautiful collections for the festive season, so people do not miss. Again, these will be sold out very soon, looking at the demand that we have for these pieces. And this is one beautiful piece again. Ma'am, we do not have any kind of only lockets undavu madam. We either sell pendant sets or necklace sets. We do not have only simple lockets. Ivi kuda chaala baagundandi. These are all ball designs, flowers. Beautiful. Going to the next design, we have one more Lakshmi Devi design andi, same antique Nakshi lo. చూడండి ఎంత బాగుందో. ఇక్కడంతా డీటెయిలింగ్ చాలా బాగుంది, సిల్వర్ జ్యువెలరీ లెక్క. ఇక్కడ అగైన్ డబల్ పీకాక్స్ వచ్చాయి, దాని కిందంతా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది. Ma'am, around the prices from for all the Nakshi jhumkas, we have it from 950 till 1455, 1500 we have, ma'am. Maximum 1600 rupees. This is around 1250 rupees. And but you like something, you can take a screenshot, reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. This is a small piece of jhumka andi. You can use it for kids, or if something small you want, you can see the castle also చాలా beautiful ఉంది. going ahead with the next design only. This is the last design for the day and we are done with these designs. We'll come up with the next live video of chokers, diamond polish chokers. So stay tuned, stay happy. Thank you. Goodbye.